lot of new homesteaders out here and watching these videos and everything. So I think I'm trying to incorporate a lot of basic tips that some people might just overlook, you guys. That's some super healthy sheep droppings right there. And then we put more straw down and we're building a deep mulch system, right? So when you're putting your screws in 10 too, sometimes it's good if you just get it in there and then give it a whack. And it'll pierce that tin just a little bit. And it'll allow you to get in there. Now we have to run the wire to the inside of the building because the panel is out here just to collect the sun. So I think I'm going to pop me a hole right here. And like I said, I'll just come back with some caulk and caulk that up. Should work out all right. Nice thing about it, it comes with a nice long cord for you to run. Yeah, I actually like that plenty good. All right, let's go inside and see how we're going to mount it on the inside. They give you this template right here, and I think I'm going to mount it. I like to have it right inside the door as I come in the door, so that way it gets your motion on and lights up the part of the room here right off the bat, you know, right when we're coming in. I think that's going to be the best way to do it. I get these screws in on this post, and then we'll hang the light up. The nice thing about something like this, anybody can do it, you know. I mean, it's just not hard. So even a guy like me, even a guy like me can do it. Take that off. And pretty much just hang it right on there. So I got that solar light up. We'll go back up after I show you guys this. We'll go back up to the front and you know, we'll see how it actually is illuminating the barn area. So what we're dealing with now is an unintended consequence. So a lot of you guys, if you watch the channel, you know that I did the ceilings upstairs. So the unintended consequence was that when I closed that up, Stacy couldn't do any pull-ups anymore. She actually used the joists up in the ceiling there to do her pull-ups on. So she's been on me about not being able to do her pull-ups, and she doesn't like it, and she wants me to fix it. So I'm fixing it right now. Today's kind of almost like a honeydew day. You guys are just seeing like some regular stuff going on around the homestead. I don't know if you'll get any nuggets from this one today. Probably will though. There's always a little something to learn in there. And so I'm gonna get this all opened up and I'm gonna show you what I got going on here to build a pull-up bar. I'm actually gonna put the pull-up bar right up here on this apparatus, this header board they call it, I guess. It's pretty simple. If you guys want to put one of these up at your place, I mean, they're so simple. You could put them together just for a few dollars. You could have all of the parts you need to do it. So basically I just have some pipe, some galvanized pipe. I got some elbows here. I have some, remember last time we talked about this, they're basically called nipples. I have 2 of those metal ones. So what we'll do is, we'll just screw this right on here, end screwed on here. Now we'll get the other end screwed on here. Making sure I have them pretty straight so they line up with each other so they can mount up against the wall. All right, beautiful. This goes in here. It's gonna be like a big towel rack. Oh. But hey, she wants to do pull-ups. I can't be not having her to do them. And I'm definitely not going to screw these in up on the cedar upstairs. So we're just making a place for them down here. Who knows, might even double for a clothes drying rack. Sometimes we got to bring the clothes in and dry them. So this is pretty much where it's going to go. It's high so she can reach it. So I think right there is pretty good. That's good. Okay, we got that side in. Screwing the whole pipe together now. We brought the level because we want to make sure it's level. Looks good right there. She's been on me about this for a while actually, so she'll like it. Another fine project finished for the homestead. So you can obviously see that it'll hold my weight, so it'll definitely hold Stacy's. Now let's go up and check back on our solar light. Look at that sunset, I love it. All right, here we go. So you can see how dark it is in here, right? There's the door light there. So, whoa, yeah. I think I'm calling the off-grid light a success. So we might throw another one up over there, and that way we could have full light. And you know what else I was thinking? You might use one of those things in your chicken coop if you wanted to make them have more light. You know, to make, you know, that old trick, right? You have more light and they lay more eggs in the wintertime because the days are shorter. You could throw one of those in there. No heat, no chance of catching on fire or nothing. I don't know, just an idea. So as always, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And oh yeah, our t-shirt link is down below. If you haven't got one yet, it's going to help us build the learning center, which we're trying to plan out right now. And then we have a new shirt coming out pretty soon. You guys will start seeing it here, and then we'll release it for purchase. It might be pretty cool. You might like it. So thanks a lot, guys, for following us on our daily journey and hanging out with us, picking up some nuggets. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.